Oh, miss.
Is there something I can help you?
Is George Del Valle there?
Sorry, Judge Del Valle is not here.
Is that so? Okay, I will come back later.
Alfredo, what are you thinking?
It's nothing, Esperanza.
You've been thinking so deep.
It's nothing. I'm just thinking about our wedding. Hey, Julia, can I take you somewhere? A place that the two of us can only go?
Sure, Alfredo.
I just want to know something, Alfredo.
What is it, Esperanza?
These past few days, you're not waiting for me anymore after the mass. I just want to know why.
Sometimes I go straight home to finish my work. And sometimes Papa asks me to go to Del Valle's house.
If that's the reason, then I understand. Why is Alfredo with Julia? What's going on between them?
This will be the last time you will see me, Alfredo.
Why, Julia? Why does it have to be like this?
I received a letter from my father and mother yesterday. They want me to spend Holy Week at home. That's why I said this is the last time.
Okay, Julia. Take care. Goodbye.
On the night of the Holy Thursday, Alfredo saw Julia is walking with other people while holding an ignited candle, and he see Esperanza, but he just ignore her and go to Julia instead.
Oh, you're home already.
Yeah, why? What is it?
Why did you get angry? I'm just asking you. I do not understand you at all. Why you're so different lately? Speak, Alfredo. Speak.
I'm sorry, Esperanza, but I fell in love with another girl. But still, I chose you because you're the only woman I'd ever loved. Let's fix this, Esperanza. Let's get married. I will marry you, Esperanza.
Alfredo's stories end with his regret. He realized that his love for Julia was like a dead star, a love that had already faded, but still continued to shine in his heart. There are many lessons to be learned from this story. One of them is that love is a complex thing, and choosing is not always easy. Sometimes we need to accept that our dreams do not always come true.
Action!
Why, Julia? Why does it have to be like this?
That's why I said this is the last.
Okay, Julia. Goodbye. Take care.